Summer is the perfect season for a luxury getaway, even if the heat can be intense, especially in Europe. A stylish and memorable holiday is not only about lounging by the pool of a beautiful hotel or sailing on a chic yacht in the sun and sea breeze, it is also about how one chooses to spend the time. This summer, I wanted to do something a little different. The French Riviera has always held a special place in my heart, and with my birthday coinciding with this trip, it felt like the perfect occasion to do something both meaningful and memorable. Naturally, I thought of returning to Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, the elegant peninsula in the south of France known for its refined resort atmosphere and discreet prestige. As my last visit was back in 2017, I knew I wanted to revisit this beloved destination, but I also wanted to experience something new. So I decided to spend a special morning at the iconic Grand-Hôtel du Cap Ferrat, a luxurious 5-star retreat that has embodied Riviera glamour since 1908. Overlooking the Mediterranean and tucked away in a secluded setting far from the crowds, the hotel has long attracted discerning travelers in search of privacy, beauty, and old-world elegance. One of my main reasons for coming here was to take part in one of the hotel's most distinctive guest experiences, a pastry-making class led by its in-house pastry chef. Since I had been thinking of making myself a birthday cake this year, what better way to celebrate than by learning from a French professional in such an exquisite setting? It was a sunny and very hot morning when I arrived in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. After a 20-minute walk to the hotel, I was immediately struck by its grandeur and elegance. I was welcomed by Samantha from their food and beverage team, who had kindly assisted with my pastry class and lunch booking throughout. Before the class began, I took a short walk to admire the exterior of Villa Santos Osper, the historic villa nearby, celebrated for Jean Cocteau's beautifully tattooed walls inspired by Mediterranean and mythological themes. The pastry class begins at 11 a.m. and lasts about an hour. Guests may choose from their 3 themes: travel cakes, which explores French bakery traditions, seasonal tarts, which focuses on tarts made with regional ingredients, and macarons, designed for those who wish to master this French classic. Since I wanted to make a birthday cake of my own, I chose travel cakes, only to realize that I would be making one of France's most beloved classics, the Madeleine. As someone who had never baked a cake in my life, and had never used any pastry tools before, the experience was both exciting and slightly daunting. At first, I wondered whether I would be able to keep up. Thankfully, Samantha explained that the class is very beginner-friendly and limited to just 4 guests, which makes it easy for both the chef and the participant to follow the process smoothly. Although the class is conducted in French, an interpreter can translate into English, ensuring that every step is clearly understood. For this particular pastry class, the hotel prepared a crisp white apron embroidered with my first name. Once I put it on, Chef Dimitri, the hotel's in-house pastry chef, greeted me with a warm smile and a friendly welcome. The class takes place in a cozy yet fully professional pastry kitchen, offering a genuine glimpse into the world of French pastry making. Everything was neatly prepared, and I simply followed Chef Dimitri's instructions, with Samantha translating into English beside me. From mixing the ingredients to scraping out fresh vanilla beans, and finally adding chocolate chips and chopped pistachios to create different flavors, every step felt precise and thoughtful. Chef Dimitri's patience and dedication were admirable, and it was fascinating to see how much skill and discipline lie behind something that looks so effortless on the plate. To reach that level requires years of practice, experimentation, and refinement, and to produce such beautiful pastries in quantities worthy of a luxury hotel only deepens my respect for the craft. We may simply enjoy the final bite, but taking part in the process makes one appreciate the effort, artistry, and care behind it. To me, that is far more meaningful than simply eating a delicious French pastry. After the class, I continued the celebration with lunch at the hotel's outdoor restaurant, La Veranda. Set beneath pine trees with a breezy Riviera atmosphere and views over the Grand Promenade, the restaurant offers Provençal cuisine with a refined contemporary touch under the direction of chef Yuri Tiecha. Using fresh local ingredients, the dishes are both flavorful and elegant, bringing a sense of relaxed indulgence to the Riviera dining experience. The menu includes a range of seafood, vegetarian, and gluten-free options, making it feel wonderfully welcoming and thoughtfully curated. Furthermore, the restaurant also offers a selection of cocktails and mocktails that pair beautifully with a summer lunch, adding to the leisurely and romantic atmosphere of the setting. For those interested in the pastry class or a leisurely lunch at La Veranda, advance booking is highly recommended. If you are visiting Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, I warmly encourage you to try something beyond the usual poolside escape or beachside water sports. Making pastries and macarons may be a delightful way to experience French savoir-faire at its most charming, and to create a Riviera summer memory that feels just as cinematic as the one seen in old Hollywood films, only this time, made real by your own hands.